Hello, I'm Anya Verma, the project lead for the Culinarians Day PSA. Chefs do more than cook, they bring people together. Every meal tells a story connecting family, friends, and communities. Culinary professionals preserve culture, keeping traditions alive through recipes and techniques passed down for generations. At the same time, they innovate, experimenting with ingredients and ideas to redefine how we eat. Their creativity shapes more than just our plates. It influences what we eat, how we eat, and even how we think about food. Next time you enjoy a meal, remember it's not just food, it's connection, culture, and creativity crafted by the hands of those who dedicate themselves to the art of cooking.
Hi, I'm Arjun Mehta. I'm a Leo from Step for Better World Leo Club. To ensure food safety, culinarians maintain strict hygiene through hand washing and sanitizing tools, store and cook foods at safe, regulated temperatures, and follow local health codes and pass regular safety inspections. Additionally, to uphold professional standards, they source fresh, high quality ingredients from trusted vendors, stay trained in culinary techniques and safety procedures, and support sustainability through mindful sourcing and waste reduction.
Hi, I'm Vishruth Mahendran and I'm a Leo from Stepford Bearwood Leo Club. Some famous chefs are Gordon Ramsay, Julia Child, and Anthony Bourdain. And some cooking shows and culinary competitions are Chopped, Hell's Kitchen, and Iron Chef.
It's by Shinika Kakuru Leo. New techniques. Sous vide, which is cooking vacuum sealed food in water in precise temperatures, resulting in perfect tenderness and flavor retention. Molecular gastronomy, which is using chemistry to make foam, spheres, or edible air. Fusion cuisines. One of the driving factors of culinary development is cultural diffusion, which is mixing cultures together. This gives food an exotic appeal while still remaining suitable for the locals. Trends that often influence modern dining. Many of the current trends today are farm to table, which is sourcing ingredients directly from farms for freshness, and plant-based fine dining, which is using substitutes in foods such as jackfruits, mushrooms, or lab-grown alternatives. Thank you for listening to my presentation.
Hi, my name is Mihika Sheila, and I'm a Leo of Step for a Better World Leo Club, and today I'll be talking about culinary arts as a career path. Culinary arts is more than just cooking, it's the art and science of creating delicious, beautiful, nutritious food. To become a culinarian, many start by attending culinary school, learning essential techniques, and building creativity in the kitchen. Many chefs train through apprenticeships, work in restaurants, and explore different cuisines. This career can lead to exciting roles like executive chef, food stylist, or even owning your culinary arts is a path for those who love food, creativity. It's a career where passion truly becomes your
Hi, my name is Nidhishrika and I'm a Leo at Step for a Better World Leo Club. And I'm doing this month's Culinarians Day PSA, the importance of chef teams. Why are kitchen teams so important? For meals to be delicious and served quick, teamwork is essential. Four types of staff make up a typical kitchen team. Sous chef oversees the staff and makes sure everything's going smoothly. Line cooks who prepares food according to the chef's specifications. Pastry chef who develops, prepares, and decorates pastries. And they also sometimes oversee the pastry staff. Kitchen staff who also takes care of kitchen preparation, cleanliness, and overall organization.